Hey guys, it's Khadijah, and today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. Okay, so starting off, my mom has this piece of hair that she's going to put in. Next, I'm just holding it so she can twist the end of it. Next, she's going to do the same thing to the other side. Next, she's going to just take the twist and she's going to just put them to the side. Now she has a comb and she's just detangling my hair. And next she's going to take some gel out of Eco Styler gel and she's going to put it in the back of my head. Next she's going to take the brush just to brush it up and blend it in with the hair. Next, she's going to put the gel all around my head. Next, she takes the brush again and just sleek it up, the gel. Next, she put it into a ponytail and she divided it into two parts. Now she's just brushing it out and she's going to twist it all the way down to the end. Now she's going to do the same thing with the other part. Twist it all the way down to the end of the hair. Next, she's going to take the one that she just did and she's going to wrap it all the way around. Then she tucks it under and then she has a bobby pin to just secure it in. Then she's going to take the other one and wrap it around again, secure it in, and then put a bobby pin in. Next, she's going to take the twist that she did and she's going to put a rubber band in the middle of them and just put the rubber band around the bun. Next, she's going to take one of the twists and wrap it around. And then she tucks it under. Then she's going to take the other twist and just wrap it around the bun like she did with the previous one. Just wrap it around the whole bun and twist it around. Next, she tucked it under again. And yeah, so here's the finished review of the ninja bun. Alright, so now the last step, she's going to take some edge control and a edge toothbrush to do my edges. Now she's going to take some on her finger and just put it around the edges of my hair. also did it to the other side. Now she's gonna just take the edge brush and she's gonna just slick it up to the left side. Now she did it all the way down to my ear part. And she did the same thing with the other side. And there it is. You have your ninja one. Alright, so I hope you liked the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah. So, bye! And make sure to subscribe to my mom's channel, Styled by Londa. I'll put it in the description below.